repeater deleting rows. So how we will delete the rows from the repeater? So we have the example of contact list. We will add delete icon and we will perform the action through the delete icon. Let's see. So here we have demo page which we have created earlier. So here we can add one icon, this minus icon. See the size of this icon. So this is 23 by 23. The same we'll add here, and we can give this color red. Now next we'll see in repeater. We have name and contacts number here selected, checked. So we'll go to the repeater and here we'll see the on-click interaction which is going to select. Just double click on it. Look for repeater actions. Here is mark rows, unmarked rows, update rows and delete rows. So we'll use mark rows. Select contact list, rows this. So we are marking this row, or user while click on the checkbox is selected, so it is marking the checkbox. The contact list will be marked. Next, we'll give interaction to delete icon or a remove icon. Here we can say interaction, click for tab. Here we have delete rows. Click on it, select, and here you select mark. Okay, now review. So here Achilles, Avilas, Amit. It's getting selected. Now we'll select Naveen and click on remove. It's removed. Now we'll select Kalpesh, remove. So how it is working, we'll see again. So we are selecting one of the contact list and it is getting marked, and this icon means which we have given the interaction on click, it is removing the marked list or a mark rows. Like here I have selected Jaya and I click on this, it's removing Jaya. Now suppose Naveen, so it is removing Naveen. So there are some more ways to deleting the rows in repeater. And before removing the rows from the repeater, it should ask some model. So how you will remove, means whether you want to remove the selected contact or not. That will be learned in the next lesson. So today overall we have covered overview repeater data, add delete icon, add interactions in delete icon, and finally contact list with delete feature. So next lesson will be adding the model and asking the user to whether you want to delete or not. Are you sure? Thing. So for today, thank you.